Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ring app after camera firmware update. Complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Ring app after a camera firmware update, begin by locating your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that the Ring app is installed on your device. If the app is not already installed, visit the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. Once you have the app, open it by tapping on the Ring icon. After the app launches, you will be directed to the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your Ring account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below your email. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for assistance in resetting it. Once your email and password are entered, tap on the Login button. If the app prompts you to verify your identity, follow the instructions provided. You may need to check your email or SMS for a verification code. Upon entering the verification code, tap Verify to continue. After successful verification, you will be taken to your Ring home screen. From here, you can access your camera feeds and manage your devices. If you experience issues logging in, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can also check for updates to the Ring app in your App Store. If problems persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Once reinstalled, repeat the login process using your credentials. Your Ring app should now function properly following the firmware update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.